Hello crafty friends, Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and this is day 26 of 30 Days of Sketches from Christy's Beautiful Life. Our sketch today is created by Sarah Scraps, and I just love this. I think it gives us lots of room to grow and move and kind of do our own thing. So I am looking at this sketch, and I decided that I really liked that I had the two photos, so I went through my mom's box of photos that I'm doing my heritage album that this whole month, and I found these two photos. And it's funny because one of them she's sitting kind of looks like on the guardrail in snow, and the other one she's standing in front of the house in just a light coat over her shoulders, and yet on the back of both of them they are listed as February of 1960. So I thought they'd be fun on the same layout. So I'm grabbing some of these scallop lace border and gonna play with that kind of as a replacement to the flowers along the right edge that's from the sketch. And I went into my stash and pulled out these chipboard pieces, and I decided, I'm gonna move that lace edge to the left of the photos, which will give me a lot more room to put on some flowers and embellish and just kind of have some fun with this. So maybe about a week ago, one evening I just thin cut and stamped all of these floral images from the In Full Bloom scrapbooking stamp set and thin cut. And I thought that they would work perfectly on this layout. So I'm just kind of dry fitting a few things here just to see what will fit and how many flowers I need to color, and kind of getting an idea if I'm going to pop dot some or what I'm going to do. So I thought I would show you what I did with how I colored each of the different types of flowers. I do think I missed showing how I colored the flowers that are in the center, but I'm basically taking a blending brush and starting in the center and blending around to the outside, and then I'll take a shimmer brush, and for these blue ones I'm using the avocado shimmer brush to kind of give some sparkle and a little bit of that shine to the center of the flowers. On the purple flowers, I'm using Pansy, and again, I do the same thing with the shimmer brush, but it's the gold shimmer brush that time. And I also use avocado ink on the different leaves so that there's that color on the leaves as well. And I just kind of use the tip of the brush to get it in there without kind of blending too much over the actual flower images. And you'll see here that that's that gold shimmer brush, and I'm just filling in the center of those flowers here. Next, I take the individual flowers and I color them with the Pansy and the blender brush again, once again using the gold. Like I said, I think I just missed doing the other ones, and the color I used for that was Paprika. So now I've glued everything down, and I went ahead and put those leaves in, and there were three gray flowers from those chipboards that I found, and I just thought this layout needed something to kind of break up some of the blank space. So I grabbed the Dana Weekly gloss sprays, and I'm just using the tube from it, as you can see, and splattering white all over. And this you have to be careful of. If it dries, it will pretty much permanently stay where it is, but as long as you wipe it up when it's wet, it'll come up pretty easily off of most surfaces. And I will say, on the orange flowers, the Paprika that I used, again, I used the tan or the toffee color shimmer brush for the center of those. So I'm excited. One more page ready for my mom's heritage album. Be sure to check out what everybody else did with the sketch for today in the list in the description. If you want to catch up with me, I have my links. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to come and see what we can do. There's another video if you're interested in it, and I hope you have a truly blessed day. Thank you.